On the breathtaking Galápagos Islands, where volcanic rocks rise proudly, lived Solitario, a very old and wise giant tortoise. Solitario's shell was thick and wise, and his eyes sparkled with stories of the island's past. Tonight, the stars twinkled softly, as Solitario sensed something was not quite right. For days, something strange had been happening. The once vibrant colors of the islands were fading. The blue-footed boobies' bright blue feet were turning dull and gray. Even the blossoming blooms seemed to lose their lively colors. Solitario had heard from the whispering winds that a magical mist was drifting over the islands. A color thief born out of boredom, quietly stealing all the colors away. Determined to save his home, Solitario knew he couldn't do it alone. Moving slowly but with purpose, he called upon his friend, Luma, a speedy marine iguana with shimmering green scales that caught the sun's rays. Solitario explained the problem carefully. The magical mist is sucking the color from everything. We must find the prism rock at the island's tallest peak. It is said to have the power to catch the mist and release the colors back as beautiful light. His voice was slow but steady, and his eyes gleamed with hope. Luma puffed up her chest and nodded eagerly. I can swim and climb fast. I'll scout ahead and find the safest path. Together, the two friends began their journey. The path was rocky and steep. Solitario moved carefully, each step measured and slow. Luma dashed up alongside him, her feet splashing in little pools formed by volcanic rain. As they climbed higher, the mist grew thicker and colder. Luma rubbed her scales nervously. We must hurry, Solitario said calmly. The island's colors depend on us. At last, they reached the highest point. There, nestled among jagged black stones, was the prism-like volcanic rock. It sparkled faintly, catching bits of fading sunlight. Solitario slowly lifted his heavy foot and touched the rock. Instantly, the prism absorbed the swirling mist, glowing brighter and brighter. Colors exploded like fireworks, reds, blues, yellows, and greens rushing down the island like a flowing rainbow. The blue-footed boobies' feet shone brilliantly blue once more. The Sally Lightfoot crabs hugged each other, shimmering in their bright shells. Flowers bloomed with fresh petals, and even the ocean sparkled with renewed brightness. Solitario smiled, his heart warm with joy. Luma cheered, proud of their teamwork. Remember, Solitario said gently, that the magic of the Galápagos is in its colors, its creatures, and its stories. We must never let boredom or sadness steal that away. And with that, the friends made their way home. The island alive again in every splendid shade. Fun facts were whispered by the gentle night wind, reminding all who listened that the Galápagos Islands were volcanic and unique. Home to creatures like a slow giant tortoise who had seen everything, and a fast marine iguana who could swim through the waves, making the islands a wonderful place where nature's magic always shines. The end.